Lonavala, a hill station which is 622 meters above the sea level and also on the outskirts of Mumbai and Pune, is a favorite tourist attraction for holidays and honeymoons because of its scenery and various locations. As one reaches Lonavala, the large number of chikki shops that are strung out in the tiny lanes is daunting. Every second one is called Magan Lal Chikki.
Magan Lal is my grandfather's name, and his father Yuvraj Ji came here from Agra, and he stayed here. But this particular Magan Lal's name sperm is started by Magan Lal only, my grandfather, in 1880, when the work of this Borghat was going on. So there were several workers. Gurdani and Gajak, all that is a product of UP only, and they were there since long time. So when my forefathers, particularly my grandfather, was doing it, when he came here, he started mithai shop. Along with that, he was selling that Gurdani. So he started that here for that workers. And then afterwards, when my father and my great uncle, that is Mohanlal and Ammalal, when they entered in this business, so they converted that stuff into chikki in 1936. 1936 is the beginning of the
Chikki consists of basic raw material like cashew, till, groundnut, etc. They are thus kept in a clean and hygienic environment and are packed efficiently to retain their aroma.
Liquid glucose, it's the product of Hyderabad. The main manufacturers are at Hyderabad or in MP. So they are having their agents here, they are supplying to us. Then our these cartoons, they are from several places. Like that Jaggery. Jaggery is basically we need of Sangli. We are getting from this Karad also, we are getting from Pune market also, like that. Dry fruits, you can imagine, we are buying from Washington.
माल क्वालिटी लेते, क्वांटिटी लेते, इनका मेन खासियत है क्वांटिटी और क्वालिटी.
For making chikki, the groundnuts are roasted and crushed.
इसमें जो इसका क्रश होता है, इसका क्रश नहीं होता. क्रश के लिए छोटा वापरते हैं. ये वाला छोटा क्रश के लिए, और ये बड़ा वाला है वो आखा शेंगदाना इसमें यूज किया है.
Later, in a kadhai over a flame, syrup of jaggery and liquid glucose is prepared. The crushed groundnut and sugar powder too is added in it. The syrup vary depending upon the variety of chikki. The mixture is rolled on the wooden plank, making a uniform layer to be cut into square pieces. They are later dried on a simple platform. These dried chikkis are now ready to be sent for packaging. These dried chickpeas are now ready to be sent for packaging.
चिक्की जो पैकिंग करने के लिए देते हैं, तो ये बॉक्स का ही है, यहाँ पे बॉक्स पड़ा रखा जाता है, ये चिक्की पैकिंग। तो बॉक्स लेते हैं, बॉक्स में चिक्की के जो पैक करते हैं, वहाँ पे प्रिंटिंग होता है, पूरा ट्रेजर में प्रिंटिंग होता है। लोनावला में जो पैकिंग करता है उसमें पेपर में पैकिंग करते हैं। अगर आउट ऑफ लोनावला जाएगा उसको ऐसा कार्टून पैकिंग देते हैं। तो यहाँ पे जो पैकेट्स इनमें भरे हुए हैं, इंडिया ने पैकेट दिन भर में इतना बना के ले उनको पैकेट लिखती रहता है ऑर्डर वाइज, तो ऑर्डर पूरा पैसे
This our particular unit. Actually, our basically trademark is registered. That is the chicky eating boy. It is on all our packages. Now we are putting simultaneously on it railway engines picture, because railway was started in 1880 only, at that period only. So it matches our this one. What you can say, when we started and railway started. So that symbol we are putting now.
With an ever increasing visitor base, Maganlals are in a continuous process of delivering performance and achieving high levels of customer satisfaction.
अपने पास वैसे 15 वैरायटी है चिक्की का, जैसे सिंगदाना है, सिंगदाना क्रश है, कोकोनट है, तिल है, चना है, ये सभी गुड़ से बनेगा। जो लोगों को मालूम नहीं, ट्रेडिशनल चिक्की पहले से ये है, ग्राउंडनट क्रश, कोकोनट, तिल, चना, ये 5 चिक्की पहले बनता था जूना टाइम में। अभी 20-30 साल से ये काजू, केसर बादाम पिस्ता, ड्राई फ्रूट, काजू बादाम, केसर काजू, काजू क्रश, रोज ड्राई फ्रूट, ये ऐसे अलग अलग फ्लेवर भी बनने लगा ड्राई फ्रूट में। मगर ये बनता है शक्कर से और ये बनता है गुड़ से। ज़्यादा लोग करते गुड़ का लेके जाते हैं कि डायबिटीज़ वाला भी पेशेंट खा सकता है उसमें। और ये जो है ये शक्कर आता है, इसके लिए थोड़ा कम लेते हैं और कॉस्टिंग में भी हर एक लोगों को ये आएगा नहीं। 600 रुपये किलो है, ये 240 किलो है, ये 1 किलो बैठेगा तो ये आधा किलो भी नहीं आएगा। वो हिसाब से लोग कम ज़्यादा करते रहते हैं। जैसे इसका 1/4 किलो लिया तो एक किलो लेके जाते हैं, ऐसे भी चलता है उसमें। ड्राई फ्रूट में लेंगे तो ये ड्राई फ्रूट वाला लेके जाते हैं, काजू बादाम पिस्ता या रोज़ ड्राई फ्रूट। ये हमारा रेगुलर चिक्की है, जैसे रोज़ ड्राई फ्रूट कोई बनाता नहीं, ये सिर्फ मगनलाल में ही बनता है।
जब भी फ्रेंचाइजी गोजी देते हैं किसी को, तो उनके साथ कुछ रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन होते हैं। जैसे कुछ बिजनेस करना है तो कुछ परसेंटेज हमें मिलता है, द सेल ऑफ चिक्की। आप चिक्की में जब बेचते हो तो उसके ऊपर कितने चिक्की बेचने के ऊपर कितना परसेंटेज मिलेगा, ये टर्म्स ऑफ कंडीशन रहता है। सेकेंड थिंग, चिक्की का जो ये क्वालिटी है वो मेंटेन रहता है। दैट्स वाई हम लोग विश्वास के ऊपर भी थोड़ा बहुत बिजनेस करते हैं, क्योंकि ट्रस्ट ज़रूरी है। बिजनेस है, बट ट्रस्ट ज़रूरी है इसमें। मगनलाल का कैसा है, 125 साल का रेपुटेशन है, ये 4th जनरेशन है इसमें। और मगनलाल में आज से यानी जब ये सिटी लोनावला सिटी एक्चुअली अंग्रेज जब यहाँ से खाने से पुणे लेके जा रहे थे रेलवे, तभी यहाँ पे टनल खोद रहे थे। तो वो टनल के लिए जो लेबर लगता था उसके लिए फूड चाहिए था। फूड के लिए सिंगदाना और गुड़ का मिश्रण देते थे उनको एनर्जी के लिए। वो सिंगदाना और गुड़ तभी से बनता है और तभी से मगनलाल चिक्की चालू है, जो आज तक चालू है। और लोगों को ऐसा ये 4th जनरेशन की वजह से आज लोगों में ब्रांड ऐसा इस्टेब्लिश हो गया है कि हमें बोलना नहीं पड़ता कि ये हमारी मगनलाल चिक्की है, इसमें क्या क्या है क्या क्या नहीं। हमारी क्वालिटी और हमारा जो ये है सब मेंटेन। दैट्स वाई हमें सेल करने के लिए यानी मार्केटिंग करने के लिए ज़्यादा कन्विंस नहीं करना पड़ता है कस्टमर को। तो उसकी वजह से ये सारा देख के हमने मगनलाल का ही कंट्रोल किया।
Maganlal as a brand name is renowned now, but when the person travels to Lonavala, it's become a confusing game now. When he enters into Lonavala, he sees like 200 different stores with the name of Maganlal on them. How is he going to know which is the original Maganlal, which is the real Maganlal? We see like a Maganlal everywhere. how are you going to decide where should I go? And how are you going to decide which Maganlal is giving you actually the good quality product? It's actually confusing the customers or the tourists who are traveling to Mumbai. So I think it's in their disadvantage that they have just so many stores. And I feel I never wanted to, like me as my father who was taking care of the business, even us as a family, we never wanted to give the franchisee of Chikki, even Chikki to be there. It doesn't make sense actually. I would rather make it available at people's doorsteps if they want Chikki, but then making franchisees, some stores not having a good service or not providing the same quality as which the main store is doing. It plays against your policy.
उन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा जन को यानी फ्रेंचाइज दे रखी है, उससे क्या माल प्रैक्टिसेस हो रही है। मेरे जो फ्रेंचाइज है वो अलग अलग एरिया में समझो 4 ही बैठे हैं, तो मुझे वो 4 में से 100% सेल आ रहा है, उनको 50 में से वो 100% सेल आ रहा है। इट इज़ डिवाइडेड बाय 50। और मेरी स्ट्रेटजी है कम लोगों को देके उनको हर एक को अच्छा प्रॉफिट मिले और अच्छा बिजनेस मिले और अपने अपने में कंपटीशन नहीं हो।
We used to prepare, the original Chikki was being prepared in charcoal manufacturing units we can tell. Now everything is converted into gas, LPG. That's the basic difference, and that difference is making into the taste also. So we would rather always prefer to go in for a better taste. If you want, we have to always go to a charcoal industry again, but that is not possible. This heat is not resisted, that heat is impossible to resist. Being a global warming and everything, so we have to keep in mind regarding the workers' temperature and everything like that. Machinery can only bring out the material at that particular temperature, but we have to just check whether it has been well cooked or not. So it has to be done manually. So there are no much developments in this, except some packagings, designs of the package. Now we are opening an office in UAE for distribution, and within 6 months or so we will be going in for a store, our own store with the sweets and snacks and everything. And that will be our first international venture directly in the market. We'll go for Dubai, then we'll try to go in for Kuwait, where we'll be doing a complete GCC, the Gulf countries, and then we'll be expanding it to Europe. Many people are using different products like sucrose and all, but we are not using. They are using FOS. It's a product by Tata Chemicals. It's a very good product, and there is no sugar absolutely in it. And we are using the best of that. There are 2-3 types of sugar-free items, but we are using the best out of it, which is the most costliest. It doesn't. We don't have to add sugar. We don't have to add glucose. Nothing. That's the best product what is available in the market right now. We are using that for sugar-free. Now we are going up with some social media also, like Facebook and Twitters and everything. But still we have people, the customer, who are not very much used to the social media. We have a traditional customers. So for marketing we are not doing a very big job right now. We have basically we have got 25 to 30 franchises in Lonavala itself. So it's a huge market. Standby market for us, who can do the marketing on a very immediate basis. So we don't have to more think about the new product. We just have to make sure we are having a right packaging, right taste and right placements. That's all. We prefer going with the old people because they are used to pack some of the other things. They know the packaging, they know the particulars, what is to be packed and in how much quantity it is to be packed. They know the procedure of doing everything. So of course we have to introduce new because the capacity of the production is going on the higher side. We have to introduce the new people, but under the people who are working from years and all.
अभी
ये उठने के बाद करेंगे साथ।
हां लावू शकता ठीक आहे
पाउडर 150 ग्राम इमेज का नेट किलो
मीडिया पे वगैरह डालना हो तो मुझे बता, क्यों क्या है वेरी रॉ थिंग, कैसा है वैसा मैं आपको
I bought sugar free and mixed nuts. The mixed nuts I give to my friends, and since we are senior citizens, now we prefer the sugar free one. And they have real sugar free Endicott Island taste, so I've been coming here often and purchasing.
I think 50 years, since 50 years we are having here. Yeah, and in a year we come almost 60,000. Then Shingdana mix, crushed sticky is the famous sticky we have found out. And it's very tasty that we cannot find in any other shop. It is the taste, quality. The taste we get is different from the other.
Crushed groundnut and this other honey ground. I have been buying it for almost now 15 years. My dad used to come on. Yes, because Bengal is one of the oldest here, and others have came in later. Maybe others are just trying to eat what they did or कुछ.
हमारा आधे में धंधा मगर लाल आधे में सब दूसरे लोग हैं.